Welcome to MomFeedO channel. Tapioca, Kerala special Kappa Mutton Curry recipe. A picturesque view of Kerala's lush greenery and backwaters. Namaste, food enthusiasts. Today, we have a special Kerala recipe for you. We're going to make a delicious and authentic dish called tapioca with Kappa Mutton Curry. Get ready to experience the flavors of Kerala. Let's begin. Introduces the ingredients and utensils required for making tapioca with Kappa Mutton Curry. To make this delightful dish, here are the ingredients you'll need. For tapioca. Tapioca, 2 large roots. Water, enough for boiling. Salt, to taste. For Kappa Mutton Curry. Mutton, 500 grams, cut into pieces. Tapioca, peeled and cubed, from 1 large root. Coconut oil, 2 tablespoons. Mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon. Curry leaves, a few. Onions, 2, finely chopped. Ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon. Green chilies, 2, slit. Turmeric powder, ½ teaspoon. Red chili powder, 1 teaspoon. Coriander powder, 1 tablespoon. Garam masala powder, ½ teaspoon. Coconut milk, 1 cup. Salt, to taste. Fresh coriander leaves, a handful, chopped. Proceeds with the step-by-step instructions. Peel the outer skin and cut the tapioca into small cubes. Scene transition, the host boils the tapioca cubes. In a large pot, bring water to a boil. Add the tapioca cubes and a pinch of salt. Boil the tapioca until it turns soft and tender. Drain the water and set it aside. Starts preparing the Kappa Mutton Curry. Now, let's move on to the Kappa Mutton Curry. Heat coconut oil in a pan over medium heat. Adds mustard seeds and curry leaves to the pan. Add mustard seeds and curry leaves. Allow them to crackle. Adds chopped onions, ginger garlic paste, and green chilies. Next, add finely chopped onions, ginger garlic paste, and slit green chilies. Sauté them until the onions turn golden brown and aromatic. Adds the mutton pieces to the pan. Now, it's time to add the mutton pieces. Cook them until they are browned and seared on all sides. Adds turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, and salt. Add turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, and salt. Mix everything well, ensuring the mutton is well coated with the spices. Adds coconut milk and brings the curry to a simmer. Pour in the coconut milk and stir everything together. Bring the curry to a gentle simmer. Adds the tapioca cubes to the curry. Now, add the boiled tapioca cubes to the curry. Mix them gently, making sure they are well incorporated with the mutton and spices. Covers the pan and simmers the curry until the mutton is tender. Cover the pan and let the curry simmer on low heat until the mutton turns tender and flavorful. This may take about 45 minutes to 1 hour. Garnishes the dish with fresh coriander leaves. Our tapioca with Kappa Mutton Curry is now ready. Garnish it with a handful of fresh coriander leaves for added freshness. Presents the dish while smiling. And there you have it, a delectable Kerala special, tapioca with Kappa Mutton Curry. The combination of soft tapioca and succulent mutton in aromatic spices is truly a treat for your taste buds. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you enjoy recreating this authentic Kerala dish at home. Until next time, happy cooking and savor every bite of this culinary delight. Like, share and subscribe.